but because of the wind, whiteout conditions, slick roads, 2 to 4 centimeters. It's currently -8 in Toronto, Pearson, and -19 with the wind. So cold, slick roads, and this should all pass in the next, unfortunately, over rush hour, but in the next hour and a half. So pack your patience. 10 years ago, CBC Toronto produced a Sounds of the Season CD. It featured some of Toronto's best musical talent, including Jack Soul. And of course, we remember the late lead singer from Jack Soul, Hayden Neal, as we play this. This is from that CD, I Miss You.
When it snows, when it snows, I never mind, come Valentine. You're not with me, baby. No, if he still comes without you, let it go. I would hardly know. From sweet showers in May to Independence Day, I know the days and the dream, girl. Loving this single scene, yeah. I would recognize if you were by my side, come on me. No woman, no crazy. And when it's cold outside, girl, I get no I can't fight these tears of a cloud falling down. I'm waking up. I've been lying. That's cool. That's the truth. But Christmas without you, it won't do. No. Girl, you like the present, beneath the tree. I love you like the target and the gravity. When you leave, I'm just empty all alone. Surrounded by a world that's cold and storm. Just bring it home. Come back to me. Don't need no rest. Christmas is you, girl. Yeah. I tried, but I can't make it through the Yuletide, baby.
There you go, winter snows. Those are the words of the day today. That's Jack Soul with I Miss You, one of the songs from Sounds of the Season, a CD produced by CBC Toronto, and of course part of our local fundraiser for local food banks. It continues. So far we've raised $409,600 and collected 8,300 pounds of food. The campaign goes until the end of the month, so please, if you can donate, you can either drop off a donation